So hello everyone, my name is Pooja Thakur and I will start with the computer network subject. So first part is the introduction of computer networks. So modern world scenario is ever changing. Data communication and network have changed the way business and other daily affairs work. Now they highly rely on computer networks and internet network. So, a set of device, often mentioned as node, connected by media link is called a network. A node can be a device which is capable of sending or receiving data generated by other nodes on the network like a computer, printer, etc. These links connecting the devices are called communication channel. Next definition about what is computer network. So computer network is a telecommunication channel using which we can share data with other computers or devices connected to the same network. So it is called data network. The best example of computer network is the internet. Computer network does not mean a system with one control unit connected to multiple other systems as its slave. That is distributed system, not a computer network. So next, a computer must be able to meet certain criteria. These are mentioned below. First, performance. Second, reliability. Third, scalability. So first, computer networks performance. So it can be measured in two ways. First is a transit time and second is a response time. Transit time, it is time taken to travel a message from one device to other device. And next, response time, so it is defined as a time elapsed between inquiry and response. So other way to measure performance are efficiency of software, number of users and capability of connected hardware. Second, computer network reliability, it decides the frequency at which network failure take place. More the failure are, less is the network's reliability. And third criteria is computer network security. It refers to the protection of data from any unauthorized user or access. While traveling through network, data passes many layers of network and data can be traced if attempted. Hence, security is also a very important characteristics for network. So next point is properties of good network. So first, interpersonal communication. Second is the resources can be shared, and fourth is the sharing file and data. So first, interpersonal communication. So in interpersonal communication, we can communicate easily with each other with efficiency and easily. So example for the interpersonal communication, for exchanging the messages using email, chat rooms, then video conferencing, etc. All of these are possible because of computer networks. Second, resources can be shared. So we can easily share our physical resources by making them available on a network such as a printer, scanner, etc. So we can connect a printer to many machines. Next, sharing files or data. So authorized users are allowed to share the file on the network, and data do not share by an unauthorized user on the network. So this is all about the computer networks. Thank you.